Something in there, mate.
Huh?
Something in there.
What? That right in there?
Huh?
No.
Yeah.
This is for flying it. What the hell is that? Something going up. People are saying, what the hell is that? Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I can see something up there. If you pick me up, yeah, I can see down the bottom.
You won't be able to see the bottom. Can't see the bottom of your neighbour's garden, Leo. Can you? You can see the bottom from where that is.
That's mine, man.
What? Yeah.
It might lift you up, must be your alien. Scary, man.
Scary Mary.
Whoa. Whoa. What the hell? That's so big. It's like an alien in there. It must be a spaceship.
What is it, man? Where is it? Why are they doing that? It must be somewhere like...
Or alien getting someone, isn't it? It's moving.
Hmm?
It moved a little bit. They thought it was there, it's turned that way. See it? It's just turned that way. God, it turned. I think it's collecting people.
No.
Aliens, alien, man. Aliens in there. Aliens in there. Certainly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is it moving for?